The Holy Stone HS420, the spanner tool, precision screwdriver. We have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 that are going to be removed to get to the motor and the propeller. Take the screwdriver, carefully go over the screw and loosen off. If the screw doesn't come out, turn upside down, give a little tap, place the screw to the side. This is a magnetizing tool. It magnetizes the screw. The next screw should magnetize to the screwdriver. If it doesn't, carefully take out by hand. Notice on the sides over here that the cage is opening up. Work on the last screw to come out. You may want to hold it in hand, put a little pressure with your thumb behind the screw area, and the cap comes off real easy. Do not lose the last screw. The spanner tool has a 90-degree angle just about that's going to go underneath the propeller and between the motor. You're going to take your index finger and your thumb and hold the motor down below and pull away with a little wiggle. And the propeller comes off. That's simple. Inspect your propeller. Number B as in boy. Replace like for like. Make sure the rounded edge is on top, the flat edge with the little opening on the bottom. We're going to look at the motor. We're going to see how easy it is to get out. With your fingers, you're not going to be able to pull the motor out. There are leads in here that you want to be careful not to break. There are leads over here that go through the arm and over here into the body. Take your precision screwdriver and carefully slide between the 2 holes. Hold like so, and gently ease forward. You can slide the tool in and now able to push the motor with ease out. I'm going very slow, and that is as far as I'm going to go. If I want to reseat the motor in, I simply take my 2 nails, or I take the spanner tool, I turn upside down, and I push back in. Take note of the other motor, how far it sits out. The propeller. What you're going to do now is match the hole up. Gently use your thumb, fingers, press on, make sure it spins. If you only need to get to your propeller off because of dog hair, cat hair, lint, any type of debris caught between the propeller and the motor, that is what you do. Now you're going to match up like for like and place on all the screws. Inspect your work. Make sure everything looks good and you are good to go. Everything is 100% back in operational order. This shows you how to change the propeller and how to get to the motor if you ever need to change out. I hope this video was helpful to one and all, seeing a nice close-up shot of the Holy Stone HS420 propeller and motor start. All tests passed, and off you go.